Okay, so good morning. This is 5:30 and I'm completely geared up. So it's around 5:30 and today it's the second week of December and it's pretty cold here in Ajmer. So we are leaving today for the Gandhi Sagar Dam from Ajmer. It will take around 7 hours, around 330 kilometers. So see you on the bike now. So bikes are warmed up now. I am on Apache and my friend Naveen is on Pulsar. So it might be dark in this camera footage. I don't know much. So actually, I had to do this voiceover over my travel vlog because I wasn't able to get the GoPro housing, which makes us able to insert that mic adapter. So, anyways, let us enjoy this travel vlog. As we left from Ajmer and we took this national highway from Ajmer towards Nasirabad, and this is our travel vlog. I hope you enjoy this journey with me. ओके सो फर्स्ट स्टॉप के लिए रुके हैं हम। नवीन जी का बैग बांधना है। सो अपना अभी थोड़ा सेट है मामला। नवीन सर का बैग टाई अप करते हैं बंजी कॉर्ड से, फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। अभी हम नसीराबाद, अजमेर से नसीराबाद की रोड पे हैं। ओके तो बैग बंध गया है, मजबूत एकदम टाइट। चले, ये लो पकड़ो सर मोबाइल, चलते हैं चलो। Okay, so we have stopped for a susu break. So right now it's 7:18, करीब सवा घंटा हो गया है हमें निकले हुए। 6 बजे, पौने 6 बजे निकल गए थे हम। So we are just checking the maps. I have marked the location and whether we are going correctly or not. Okay, so yeah, सरवाड़ जाना है, then we will be reaching केकड़ी से होते हुए वी विल बी एट देवली एंड फाइनली कोटा बूंदी होते हुए। सो ओके Okay, so this is where we have stopped for a tea break. This is a roadside dhaba. It looks good, a lot of greenery, and it's at Kekdi, just before 30 kilometers before Devli region. Okay, so a beautiful view. So after that, with a short tea break, we continued our journey and we explored the various different types of vegetation going on the farms on the side of the highway. We experienced the vast rivers, especially when we are in Rajasthan. That's these rivers make a hell lot of difference. So seeing them flowing in such a large volume is always a pleasure for the eyes, as well as the yellow fields of sarson and all. They also made a huge difference for our early morning this trip experience. So as we crossed Devli,
and we reached Sarwad. So there we met with this amazing highway that is connecting Jaipur and Kota. So this was a 4-lane highway and the roads were really good when compared to the state highways that we were traveling from Nasirabad onwards. So the average speed increased and also jerks and all, it reduced significantly, and we were now really able to enjoy what we were actually seeing during the trip. So we don't need to worry if you are traveling from Ajmer. Around half of the distance is a little patchy and 2-lane and a little bit risky, but after that it's a 4-lane. And if you are traveling from Jaipur, then the roads are great for you to travel to this Gandhi Sagar Dam. We also experienced this wonderful tunnel, and as all bikers know, that tunnel is a pleasure to our ears. So we also revved our bikes a little bit and moved on through this tunnel. तो अभी कोटा पहुंच गए हम अराउंड इट्स 10:15 10:30. So we have covered around 200 plus kilometers by now, and right now what we are planning is not to enter into Kota city, but actually go via the Rawat Bhata circuit, and with that we will be directly able to go to the Gandhi Sagar dam gates. So that will be a better experience, because cities we have seen again and again. So that's why we are taking the bypass from Kota city. So as you can see, this is the exit gate for the Kota. Okay, so it's better you turn towards Jhalawad, and if you turn towards Jhalawad, that is actually the bypass for Kota city. Okay, so this is the route. Roads are good, roads are really good. This is the Jaipur Kota highway. So अब हमने बाईपास पकड़ लिया था, कोटा का बाईपास, जो कि हमें रावत भाटा सिटी की तरफ ले जा रहा था. एंड दिस ब्यूटीफुल हैंगिंग ब्रिज, दिस इज ऑल्सो द क्या कह सकते हैं आप, सिग्नेचर ब्रिज है कोटा शहर का. सो दिस वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. एंड यहाँ से इस ब्रिज के बाद से हम पहुँचते हैं रावत भाटा सिटी के लिए कट आता है. हम वहाँ से जब कट लेते हैं तो वहाँ से एक काफ़ी अलग ही रोड स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. जो अभी 6-लेन रोड अच्छी दिख रही हैं, वो सडनली 2-लेन रोड एंड वेरी 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 बैड कंडीशन. सो अगर आपकी कोई स्पोर्ट्स बाइक है, आप ऐसी कोई बाइक से जाना चाह रहे हो, तो इट विल बी अ वेरी टॉर्चरस रोड फॉर यू. इट्स बेटर you take a naked or an adventure bike there. After this bad patch, finally when you entered into this Mukundara Forest Reserve, the beauty of that place on the sideways, lush green forests, some animals, wild animals you might encounter, especially is monkeys and langurs. So all that factor in, they take away the bad road torture from you and give you the world's best view, the nature's best experience, and the best things which you expect from an adventure trip when you go through the country roads or the village roads like these. So overall, the bad patch from Kota to Rawat Bhata was covered by these beautiful Mukundara Forest Reserve roads. So let us enjoy these. So before going to Gandhi Sagar Dam, we took a small detour and we found a billboard towards Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. So we thought, let us go there, let us see how big that is. So we turned our bikes towards the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. It's around 5 to 6 kilometers from Rawat Bhata area, city area. So not that. So we are riding over the dam. This is the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. जैसे देख सकते हैं, आई होप इसमें विजिबल होगा. That is the nuclear power plant by NPCIL, and this is the reservoir of the Rana Pratap Sagar. पहले पास में ये पड़ रहा था तो हमने सोचा पहले यहाँ देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद में गांधी सागर डैम जाएंगे. तो राणा प्रताप सागर डैम, ओके, दिस इज these are the gates, this side is the upstream. Okay, so beautiful. तो यहाँ पे छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं, फोटोज लेते हैं, देखते हैं चल के. ये तो है आपका डैम. वाओ. And this is the road over the dam. तो ये जो आप शोर सुन सकते हो, दिस इज द साउंड ऑफ द वाटर फ्लोइंग. देखिए, these are the gates and this is the flow of water. Wow. तो अभी हम राणा प्रताप सागर डैम पे हैं. दिस इज माय फ्रेंड नवीन. और नवीन सर, हाय. हाय. कैसा रहा रास्ता? बहुत बढ़िया रहा. अच्छा ट्रिप प्लान किया ना? सो राणा प्रताप सागर डैम पहुंचने के बाद हमें पता चला कि आगे एक म्यूजियम भी है, तो हम आगे की तरफ गए, थोड़ा अंदर घुसे इस एरिया में. सो यहाँ पर एक्चुअली अभी मे बी ड्यू टू कोरोना और समथिंग, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ड्यू टू कोरोना, दिस प्लेस वाज अंडर लॉकडाउन एंड म्यूजियम थोड़ा चढ़ाई पे था, तो हम ज़्यादा एनर्जी भी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते थे एंड बाइक्स जा नहीं सकती थी वहाँ पे, बाइक्स अलाउड नहीं थी. सोसाइटी के अंदर से एक रास्ता था, सो हमने वहाँ से यू टर्न ले लिया एंड वी कंटिन्यूड आवर जर्नी टुवर्ड्स गांधी सागर डैम. सो ये एपिसोड 1 रहा. एपिसोड 2 में अपन रावत भाटा ये राणा प्रताप सागर डैम से गांधी सागर डैम की तरफ और आगे के प्लेसेस एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. 2 एपिसोड में इसलिए करने की कोशिश करी जिससे जो टोटल वीडियो टाइम है वो ज़्यादा बड़ा ना हो और ज़्यादा लेंदी होने के कारण लोग बोर ना हो. आप सबका अच्छा लाइक और सपोर्ट मिले तो we will continue making all these good travel vlogs. So thank you for watching this one, and do definitely watch the second episode where we visit Gandhi Sagar Dam, and also a very amazing place that you will surely love the footage of. So thank you for watching. See you in the episode 2.